That's me.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Serena, hence the intro, hence the channel name. That's so Rena. You get it corny, I know, but that's just how we are here. Period. Big purr. When's the last time I vlogged with y'all? Can we be for real? My best friend is with me. Here she is in her glory. Turn the camera on for me.
Hello there.
There she is, Mrs. America.
Not Miss America.
Ah! I look lost. It's like, are you okay? I squeezed too much out. So,
I hate what happens. It's not like chapstick. You can't just rub it.
right. So she wants to go to Virginia. She texted me yesterday. So which one of y'all want to take me?
Take me on a date.
I said, well, if you pull up to my house, then I'll take you. So that was the agreement. So now we're going. So sit back and enjoy the ride, y'all. And if y'all don't know what Virginia is, you're about to see it in a second. But I'll put the address in the description box because we're going to do like a whole food tour of Atlanta, clearly.
Right.
We need to find some boba because I really want boba.
Ooh, boba sounds so good.
Mm-hmm.
Well, which one are we going to? Atlanta, Duluth?
We're going to Duluth.
Duluth. Okay, so I'll see what's around there.
Yeah.
It's a hot day. It's a hot day.
The Duluth one's just closer to get to
Oh, okay. You know, I don't know.
from here.
I've lived in Georgia longer than you, and you know how to get around way better than me.
Hell yeah.
Now, Covington, I got y'all.
Shut the hell up.
That's about it.
What is wrong with this girl?
Even Conyers, I can get you somewhere.
Literally?
Anywhere else. Put that GPS off.
I like this one in Duluth because the like the building is new and stuff like that.
This how y'all know she get places, cause how you know the buildings is different from one to the other?
Please. Because
like, this one closer,
I'm a
this one.
foodie.
The best thing I could tell y'all is like movie theaters though, cause I love a good movie theater.
Mm-hmm.
I love a good movie. But a restaurant, I be eating at the Hole in Walls, cause that'd be best.
All right, y'all. See y'all when we get there. April complaining about it's hot and she's in all black, head to toe and purse. Okay, so obviously it's freaking hot. Anyways, y'all, we're at Virginia. This is the location I was telling you about that is so cute. Gracias.
I remember when we started texting. I was playing it cool, you was flexing. I know I wasn't the only one you messed with, but it was good. I was on to the next one. I remember when you started checking up. Boy, you must have learned your lesson. Trying to tell me how I always was a blessing. Stayed in the LAS, but you guessed it. Yeah, I got you. Too bad I'm vibing, nigga. I'd be fine without you. Guess you found out all them other hoes wasn't about you. And now you're gonna waste your time chasing me. Nigga, please. Ain't no need to waste your time being caught up over me. Nigga, please. I don't wanna hear about it. You can tell your friends about it. About it. Tell them about it. Now you wishing you was with me, living life so true. Even on your friends that I was cool with, they don't know that you be on that bullshit. Even though they didn't think that I was stupid, you did. But I ain't tripping, just don't push it. It's cool, I'ma focus on my vision. Cause you only get one pass and you used it. You used it, amusement. So funny how you used to flex, how'd you lose it? So stupid, and it's so amusing. Your effort is so useless, and now you're gonna waste your time chasing me.
Now, y'all, I haven't talked to y'all in like 2 days. I went to, no, when was that? Yeah, today's Monday. And I went with TT to Virginia on Saturday. Yikes. I was supposed to take her with us when we got boba, but I totally forgot. Like, I was like in the what is it? Presence of the moment, you know? And I see my best friend and we were chatting, so I wasn't even thinking about picking up my camera because I haven't vlogged in how long? Like, I don't vlog anymore. So anyways, I'm going to get kava today. And I'm going to go to my chiropractor as well because it's right next door to kava. And I haven't been in a while, so I know he's going to cuss me out. But as y'all can see, like, I'm not dressed for the chiropractor, so I'm going to have to put on a hoodie or something because it's like too much going on right here. Okay. So yeah, let's go handle that. I'm going to go to the chiropractor first, then kava, then back home. So here.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high. Hands up high, hands up high. Tell them turn the lights down right now. Put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room, perfume. Go, go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower.
It tracks like this. Yeah. But it's not going to track me now because I'm all the way up here. $350. That's fine.
I'm about to check the camera.
Yeah.
We recording?
Now,
Welcome back, you guys. She's at the best chiropractor that was ever created. We about to crack her back, get her spine in the proper position. Everybody need to go see a chiropractor. Let's get started. How you doing? Good. She's gonna come back with a camera too. Yeah. You been drinking your water?
Yeah.
I would love to see this video.
Okay.
Won't you raise that right leg all the way up for me? Good, back down. Raise the left leg all the way up. Good, back down. Drop both arms on the table. Just scoot down the table for me. Good, right there. You keep it all in. All out. Good. You keep it all in. All out. Good. Good. Hand right side. You block when you go to the gym. You like that quick hand? Hit the leg right here. Now relax it. Yeah, soften. That's good, good. Your neck.
Oh,
She haven't been here in a long time, so she's the routine.
you're moving back.
Yeah, we can get there. Yeah. Good. Just look for it. All right, now we're going back. You got what you use? Alright. Hey, you guys. We're gonna see her again when?
Make sure it's even on you while you're talking. Go ahead.
Oh. Hey, you guys. We're gonna see her back again when? We're gonna see her back again next
Wednesday.
Monday, you guys. Matter of fact, this Wednesday, we're gonna make sure she drinking her water. We're gonna make sure she exercising. We're gonna make sure she's staying positive, guys. Have a good day.
Yeah.
That's my
Yeah, that's exactly it. As you guys can see, I'm done with the chiropractor. I'm just taking my jacket off because I'm hot as hell. Now we're going to Kava. Great. Why is he running? He could have held the door for me.
Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fit. Your body are too tight and neat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna.
Can I get a harissa avocado bowl?
Listen, you've been missing since 2016. Squid tell me one fixed. You know that's my assistant. When she speak, I listen.
Can I get no cucumbers and I'm gonna change the dressing? Yes.
You said no.
Yeah, no cucumbers and I'm gonna change the dressing. Yes, I'm gonna do lemon herb tahini and garlic dressing. $8080.
So you came back and started making?
Yes. Is it ready? Oh, thanks. Oh, no, thank you. Thank you. So, I was debating if I wanted to eat in here. I was gonna eat out here or outside, but I have my flowers in the car, so I changed my mind because I really don't want them to die. And I should have wore a bigger purse today because I feel myself pulling everything out. The bob is bobbing. Can we get into her? It's giving what needs to be gave. VIP parking. Okay. Now it's time to go home. Day in the life of a Barbie. I'm more of a Bratz than a Barbie, but I like what Barbie stands for. Yeah, I went and saw the movie. I liked it. Everybody that doesn't like it is a hater, so don't believe them. Okay? But let's go home. I need the AC. Because I'm a hottie.
Bluetooth connection success.
Why my car so loud all the time? Like, you ain't gotta do all that. I hope that the footage at the chiropractor was in focus. I know that when he was talking to the camera. Oh, look at my nose ring, y'all. I bought a hoop. I'm all over the place with this conversation. But I bought a hoop nose ring yesterday so I could finally change it out. I got this done. What? 2 years ago. No way. Almost 2 years ago. In February, it'll be 2 years that I've had my nose pierced with this same pierce. With the same jewelry in there. So it's time to switch her out. Like, what are we even doing? Let's sit y'all up here. She's not phone. I have a tripod right here. Yeah. Now y'all are up on the window now. So let me get some tunage. I'm so not used to vlogging anymore. Like, I have to get back into it. Alright, I just made it home, but I turned the camera on because I want y'all to see how your niece cuts up. How y'all internet niece cuts up when I go inside this house. Okay, she ain't seen her mommy in... How many days has Simba seen me? She ain't seen her mommy in a couple days. I gotta make sure I'm all the way in the garage, honey, because I am notorious, real notorious, for closing the garage on my car. I'm just a girl. I feel like it's good enough. Let's see. Yeah, it's good enough. Did you just know it was mommy? Could you tell? Could you tell it was mommy? Look at her. Let me out, let me out, let me out, mommy. I gotta jump on you. Let me open the door though because she is a sprayer, but she's excited. Hi, mama. Hey, mama. Jesus Christ. Hey, mama. Hey. Let me try the camera so she can see it. Hey, mama. Hi. Hi. She's peeing everywhere. This is why we have to go outside. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Hi. Hi. Y'all look at Simba. She's a grown woman now. She has all her nipples. Oh my goodness, I'm exposing you. Hi, baby. Hi. Hi. Oh my goodness, you're showing them how high you can jump. Oh my goodness. Hi. Hi, mommy's girl. Hi, mommy's girl. Hi, mommy's girl. Hi. Hi, you done peeing? Are you done peeing? Oh my goodness, thank you for the kisses, mama. Not. No, she might have to. She's just sniffing. You have to potty, mama? You never know with her. Oh, yep, she's peeing. Oh yeah, so once I am done with her out here, then I will go inside and do my flower arrangements, and then I'll eat, finally. Yeah. So, yeah, I'm happy to see her. I missed her. She's my lock screen on my phone. So every day I'm like, oh my gosh, she's so cute. I miss her. I love her so much. Yeah, but this is pretty much my day for today. Oh, she's pooping. Now I gotta clean that up. Alright, I am back inside from outside with Simba. She's right here, standing next to me, but I'm looking for a vase right now. Vase, vase, however you want to put it. So I can put my flowers up. I thought it was under the sink. Apparently not. I know nothing. I haven't used in how long? All right. Here is the voice that I was looking for. Okay. All right, I found the boss. That was chaotic. Let's put some watercolor in there. Some water. Water. A wally. A waffle. Water. If you know, you know. That's for SpongeBob. Alright, boom. Boom, bop. That's how you fix that. Get down. Alright. What you looking at, little boy? And before y'all say, this is just kitchen scissors. This isn't the cooking scissors. That's inside of the, let me show y'all because y'all like to cook. It's inside of the knife set. This is for food. And the one over here is for miscellaneous things, okay? My supervisor is here. My supervisor. Thank you. I love the, ow, I just stabbed myself. I love the lighting in this kitchen. So what I'm doing is just cutting it at an angle here. You want to cut it. Okay. And I'm just going to put it inside the water. I need to open the food. Fresh flower food. It comes with the bouquets. But I know they sell them like, if you have like multiple bouquets and you want to keep them alive longer, they sell like just a package at Publix. I'm gonna speed this up because this is like redundant. Like we all know how to cut flowers and put them in water. Why are you sniffing me? I haven't been around no doggy. You're my only doggy. She's down here sniffing my leg. She usually only does that when I've been around another dog, but I have not. Oh my gosh, the red is just so pretty. It gives love. It gives wife. Especially with my nails. Like, these are the best my nails have looked in a while. And I was like, oh my gosh. He only charged me $30, my nail tech, to give me a fill and paint them that color. Really, Simi? I'm really good with flower arrangements, by the way. Like, they stay alive for quite some time. I know some people put ice inside of theirs and like a scoop of bleach, but I don't want to do that. So I ain't doing it. I don't want to do it. I don't want to do it. Here is my sad bouquet right now. But they will stand up tomorrow. I promise. I will check back in tomorrow to show y'all. But y'all, let me go ahead and put these over here because I'm ready to eat, baby. I'm ready to eat. And because I'm doing a social media detox right now, so like I don't feel the need to take pictures anymore. Isn't that weird? But I'm like, girl, you need to take pictures. So here we go. Check this. I feel like that'd be cute for the thumbnail. I don't know. But let me clean off my mess that I just made. Take the trash to the garage. I wish I could see Simba right here just supervising me on the floor, from the floor. I'm debating if I want to film a luxury haul. Y'all know I do my luxury collective hauls where it's like luxury but on a budget because it's like from AliExpress, DHgate, and all that. And I'm like, maybe I'll just film it tomorrow because it'll be quiet tomorrow as well. Yeah, I'm gonna film it tomorrow because that'll give me something to do. I'm gonna wake up, try my L-glutamine and my superfoods, and like do that. Let me start rambling because I'm actually starving. I just keep talking. I've been talking for 6 minutes. Like, no. Okay, so this is my kava bowl. It is a harissa avocado bowl made as is with no cucumbers, and I changed the dressing to lemon herb tahini and Greek dressing. Not Greek dressing, garlic dressing. My mouth is salivating and Simba is right here. Hold on, let me pull it down so y'all can see her. Can y'all see her? She's a menace. Y'all see her? So she will sit there the entire time I eat. So I'm about to eat so that I can go upstairs in my room, lay out everything so that I can film tomorrow. So I'll pick the camera back up tomorrow once I'm back into my girl vibe. Right now we're doing girl dinner. Where you at? Girl dinner. Right here. She don't want to be caught. You see how she keep moving every time I put the camera on her? You're caught, ma'am. They seen you. You're not fooling anybody. No matter how fast or how often you drink it, it's still gonna be fucking nasty. Okay? when I filmed my last productive day vlog, when I went back to the gym, I realized that I never filmed an intro. So if you're new here, my name is Serena, hence the intro, hence the channel name. That's so Rena. You get it corny, I know, but that's just how we are here. Period. This is usually not how I look, but since I'm going to the gym, I'm not putting a wig on or anything like that. So yeah. Oh, I think my straw disconnected inside of my cup. One moment, because baby, I don't play by my water. Yep, it sure did. I'm like, hello. Reconnect. So I reset my camera settings, and I must say, this is way better, okay? Because I don't know what I was doing. Like, I was playing around with it one day, following a tutorial, and my phone is jumping. Following a tutorial, and for some reason it was causing me to be out of focus. So then I went on YouTube to figure out how to reset it back to factory settings, and we back in action. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about, Simba. She's right here in her cage because she know I'm about to leave. Let y'all see your little niece. Hey, mama. All right, let me give you some water, mama. Give you some water, and I'll be back, okay? My dad said he don't give her, he gives her filtered water. I'm like, okay, bougie. Here you go, mama. Ooh. Ooh, I'm spilling it. I love you. I love you. Be a good girl, okay? I'll be right back. I'll be right back. See you in 30 minutes. Yeah, my phone is jumping. What are you looking at? I'm over here deep in this text message. Anyway, this is not normally how I look, but like I said, I'm not wearing a wig to the gym just to sweat it out. Because, yeah, no, I'm not doing that. So, I got my little dewy on. And I have my braid down under here. So, yeah, I'm not bald. I got plenty thick hair, okay? All right. Well, I will talk to y'all when I get to the gym. Because right now I'm just texting. All right, but I gotta go because I just took my L-glutamine and stuff, so let's go. And I must say, this L-glutamine really does work for bloating, okay? I must say, this is day 3 on it, and my stomach stays the same size all day. And I had bread and pasta yesterday, so yeah, I will check back in with y'all at the gym, like I said. Bye. The body is bodying. Okay, we just got a little pudge. What's that TikTok? The body is bodying. It's just be the stomach part. All right. Let's go. Go, 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 go. Let's go. All right, let's go. For real. All right, y'all. We are back for day 3 at my pool. Well, I am at my pool, but I am in the gym. I don't know why I said back at my pool. But yeah. Again, this is my machine here. Period I, period There was a guy that just left. I literally waited in my car until he left. Y'all know how my anxiety do. And yeah, we about to hit this treadmill, baby. Yesterday I watched my Don't Call Me White Girl podcast. So now I'm going to watch Bobby Althoff's podcast because she uploaded this morning, as she always does. She posts on Thursdays, and Don't Call Me White Girl posts on Wednesdays. So that gives me something to watch instead of watching the clock on my treadmill. So I am going to pop my AirPods in. Well, AirPods. My Amazon AirPods in. I don't know about y'all, but I'd rather spend $17 than keep replacing mine. So that is what I do, baby. And I ain't ashamed of it. Anyways, let me flip the camera. I'm just talking at this point. All right, connected. Bobby Althoff. She did one with Mark Cuban from Shark Tank. This is great. This is great. So, yeah. Incline 10. And, incline 10. Another day, another sweat. Okay. Period. Period. Ugh, look at that sweat dripping down my face. And as y'all can see, I'm trying to flip the camera. 30 minutes, 193 calories. Period. I forgot my water bottle in the car, so I'm about to run to the car. Y'all, why I thought that I thought my water bottle was in the car. That means I left it in the house. Car? Now my car just tried me. Anyways, I'll talk to y'all when I get home because I'm really dehydrated. Sweat check. Someone says that all my sweat today was on my face. Exhibit A. But yeah, y'all, I left my freaking on my face. I left my freaking water bottle at home. I realized that as I was hitting the 15-minute mark. Ugh. Whew. So I'm just about to chill for the day, do my hair and my makeup because I am filming a luxury collective haul. Y'all like your luxury hauls. That's not going to come out this week. Y'all will probably see this before then. Maybe not. I don't know.